If checking your bank account makes your stomach drop a little, this video is for you. Not the version of budgeting with 40 spreadsheet columns and words you have to Google. The version where, by the end of this video, you'll actually know where your money goes, and you'll have a simple system to control it. No shame, no jargon. Let's make money simple. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Most budgets don't fail because you're bad with money. They fail because the budget was too complicated to stick to. You download some intense spreadsheet, you're motivated for about 3 days, then life happens, and you never open it again. Sound familiar? The problem was never you, it was the system. So let's throw out the complicated stuff and use something you can actually keep up with. So here's the whole system, and it's just 3 numbers: 50, 30, 20. Every time money comes in, you split it into 3 buckets. 50% goes to your needs, 30% goes to your wants, 20% goes to savings. That's it. That's the entire system. Let me show you what each one actually means, because this is where it clicks. Bucket 1. Needs. 50%. This is the stuff you literally cannot skip. Rent, groceries, transport, minimum bill payments. If missing it causes a real problem, it's a need. Bucket 2. Wants. 30%. This is the fun stuff. Eating out, streaming, that impulse Amazon buy at 11 p.m. Wants aren't bad. You're allowed to enjoy your money. You just give them a limit. Bucket 3. Savings. 20%. This is money for future you. An emergency fund, paying off debt faster, or investing. This is the bucket that quietly changes your life. Okay, percentages are nice, but let's make this real with actual money. Say your take-home pay is $3,000 a month. Not your salary, take-home. What actually lands in your account after taxes. And if your number's different, don't worry. The math works exactly the same, and I'll show you why in a minute. 50% for needs. That's $1,500. Rent, groceries, transport, phone bill, minimum debt payments, all of it has to live inside that $1,500. Think of it as a ceiling, not a goal. If your essentials fit under it, you're in great shape. 30% for wants. That's $900. And here's the mindset shift that makes this whole system work. That $900 is guilt-free. Takeout on a Tuesday? Fine. Concert tickets? Fine. That thing sitting in your cart right now? If it fits in the bucket, buy it. And don't think twice. A budget isn't there to take away your fun. It's there to protect it. 20% for savings. $600. And I know, $600 doesn't sound life-changing. But run it forward. $600 a month is $7,200 in 1 year. That's a real emergency fund. That's the difference between my car broke down and I'm panicking, and my car broke down and I'm annoyed. That's what this bucket actually buys you. Calm. So that's the full picture. 3,000 comes in, 1,500, 900, 600 go out. Every dollar has a job. Nothing just disappears. Now, quick word. If your income isn't the same every month, maybe you freelance, drive rideshare, work on commission. The beautiful thing about this system is that it runs on percentages, not fixed amounts, so it flexes with you. $500 lands in your account? Same split. $250 to needs, $150 to wants, $100 straight to savings. A $2,000 month? Same 3 moves, bigger numbers. Every payment gets split the moment it arrives. That's the whole trick. Budgeting on irregular income honestly deserves its own video, so that one's coming soon. And if you're sitting there thinking, my rent alone is more than half my income, you're not alone, and you're not doing it wrong. For a lot of people, it is. 50-30-20 isn't a rule you're failing at. It's a target you move toward. Maybe you start at 65-25-10 today and nudge it over time. The point isn't perfection. It's giving every dollar a job so it stops disappearing. Now, doing this math every month by hand is annoying. So I built a free budgeting template that does the 50-30-20 split for you automatically. It's down in the description, totally free. Grab it and follow along. Okay, back to making this stick. Here's the step everyone skips, and it's the one that matters most. Pay yourself first. The second money comes in, move your 20% to savings before you spend a single dollar. Don't wait to see what's left over, because there's never anything left over. Future you gets paid first. Then, once a week, just 5 minutes, check in. Did the buckets hold up? Great. Did you overspend on wants? No guilt, just adjust next week. That 5-minute habit is what separates people who budget from people who talk about budgeting. So let's bring it home. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about control. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Pay yourself first, check in once a week, and adjust without the guilt. That's the system I genuinely wish someone had shown me at 20. It would have saved me years of stress, and probably a lot of money. If this made budgeting feel a little less scary, hit subscribe. I post simple money videos like this every week, and the next one builds right on this. Grab the free template below to start today, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's build your financial confidence, one simple step at a time.